This is the completed homebrew Smeter. It came from a cheapy multimeter, $9 meter, and all I needed was the needle mechanism. And apparently what I ended up calibrating to was a 4.7 ohm resistor in parallel with the windings of that little inductive load there. So we've got the needle is all the way down right now. That means it's off. When I power up, the needle will go to max and then it'll drop, and depending on where my signal is, the needle will move. Unfortunately, the way I'm graduated here, if the needle's low, that's a high signal, and if it's way up here, that's a low signal. So I'll go ahead and demonstrate and power up. The needle will peg out to the top, and then it'll come back down again after the tubes come online. And I'm on broadcast. Needle goes up. Turn the volume down a little bit. So I'm going to tune to something.
I can understand that. But I wanted to, so we were going to do this sort of documentary of
Somewhat of a strong signal there.
Remax Properties East on the next Louisville Real Estate Show. 9 ways you're loading your
Decently strong signal.
These are my dental instruments.
I kid my friends and I lying in bed
Which is strange because
an ingredient is an amazing thing, but as you get older, it naturally.
You just need to know someone who does.
John Lester's.
Agreed. And both of them southpaws.
Go to shortwave. See what's happening over there. Turn my volume up a little bit more. Shortwave acts a lot different.
National. Mesdames et messieurs, l'équipe de la section française. Bonne écoute.
Moses give you the law, and yet none of you keepeth the law. Why go you? I could put this passage and say it's the same thing over and over with people who have religious spirits, always willing to throw a stone at you. And
Horizons program. First of all, a check of the day's headline news. Chinese authorities say they'll keep the lines of communication open with the U.S. connected to a high-level dialogue.
Is of any private interpretation, for the prophecy came not in old time.
And that would be it, folks. That was fun.